Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to change the auxiliary drive belt or V-ribbed belt on a 2007 Citroen C4 1.6 HDI without air conditioning. Okay, as you can see we have the spring-loaded tensioner here. This is the piece that we're going to get a tool onto to pull it back to remove the belt. Here is the alternator pulley with the auxiliary belt on it. Down here you'd probably have an air conditioning pump if you had air conditioning, which I don't. Down there is the crankshaft pulley where the rest of the belt goes around. You may not be able to see it on the camera. So yeah, let's go remove the belt. So I reckon an adjustable wrench would probably get onto this piece here to pull it back. But we've got this nifty, tool that we made up just to get a bit of leverage on it and pull it back. So make sure it's seated correctly, and I'm going to pull it back just to remove the belt, the original belt first. Take the tension off it. There you go. Okay, so the old belt is off the tensioner. Ease the tensioner back. Okay, I guess we can leave that there. And then pull the belt off. So here's the old belt. If you can see it here, there's lots of little micro fractures in the belt, so it's had its run. As you can see there, it's too old. So let's grab our new belt. Now to fit your new belt, take it, put it on the crankshaft pulley first, being the farthest one away. Best to get this one done first. It would help if you had more hands. Okay, so the belt is now on the crankshaft pulley, and you need to, release the tension using this 8 socket that we have on a bar. Oh. Feed it onto the alternator. Sometimes it can just be a little tricky because there's so many ribs on the belt. Oh, belt slipped. Well, at least it's tensioned by itself now. I'm nearly there. It's got caught on some of the ribs. There you go. Okay, so you can see the auxiliary belt is now sitting correctly, evenly on the alternator pulley. You can release your tension very slowly. Okay, there we are. And something I learned in the past is if you ever want to check the tension on an auxiliary belt, you can twist it to make sure it feels tight, but you don't want it to go vertically, and this one doesn't. So there you have it. The belt we used is an 805mm belt. The one I removed was an 803. Reason for that is it was the only one that was available to me at the time in the parts store, but from looking at the tensioner, you could probably go a little bit bigger, maybe 806, and go down to maybe the high 790s. If you have air conditioning, I believe it's a 965 to a 975mm belt, but do check with the parts supplier when purchasing your new belt. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to give us a like, a share, a subscribe, and comment to Driveway Dudes, and don't forget to share us on the usual social media platforms. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.